Practice test 12, operant conditioning. Good evening. I want to discuss operant conditioning, a psychological theory developed by B.F. Skinner. Unlike classical conditioning, which involves automatic responses, operant conditioning focuses on how behaviors are strengthened or weakened by consequences. There are two main mechanisms: reinforcement, which increases behavior, and punishment, which decreases it. For example, consider classroom behavior. A teacher might use positive reinforcement by giving a student a gold star for completing homework. This reward encourages a student to continue the behavior. Negative reinforcement also works. For instance, if students do well, the teacher might cancel homework, removing something unpleasant. This motivates students to keep performing. Now let's take a look at animal training. Trainers often develop rewards for dogs with treats when they perform tricks. This positive reinforcement teaches the dog to repeat the behavior. On the other hand, if a dog misbehaves, the trainer might use a firm no, discouraging that action. Both examples show how consequences shape behavior, making operant conditioning essential for learning. The professor explains operant conditioning. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the concept and how the professor illustrates it.